Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the font size in this device. So in this device you can see this is the font size. I changed this to here. So let me show you how to change the font size. For this, go to settings and tap on display. Then again scroll down. Here you can see the option display size and text. Tap on this one. So here you can see the option font size. So if you want to increase the font size, then you can increase, you can see. Decrease, you can see here. Okay, so here I am going to increase the font size up to maximum. Now let me show you, you can see the font size is changed. Again, now I am going to decrease the font size to small. Now go back, you can see the font size is changed. Right? So simply in this way you can change the font size in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.